Hello there, everyone. This is Teacher Dennis. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this would be my fourth video on my divisibility rule series. And for today's discussion is I will be introducing the divisibility rule for 6. Now, before anything else, if you are new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and hit those notification bells so that you will be updated with my latest uploads on my math video tutorials. Now, when can we say that a number is exactly divisible by 6? Actually, we have two conditions here that must be met. So let me just read the definition. A number is a multiple of 6 if and only if it meets the same two conditions for divisibility rule for 6. The first condition is divisibility by 2. The number should be an even number, meaning the last digits should be either 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now, the second condition, it should be divisible or exactly divisible by 3. The sum of the number digits is exactly divisible by 3. Now, we have examples here. We have 6 numbers. So, which of the following number is exactly divisible by 6? Let's have the first conditions applied to this example. The number should be even. So, in short, the last digits should either be 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Now, 2024 is an even number. So this fits the criteria for the first condition. For the second number, this is 3,576. This is also an even number because the last digit here is 6. We have the third number, which is 1,358. This is still an even number because the last digit is 8. For the fourth one, we have 4,111. This is not an even number because the last digit here is 1. And since the first condition has not been met, this is automatically not divisible or exactly divisible by 6. Now, for the fifth number, 5,815, this is not an even number because the last digit is 5. 5 is not an even number. 5 is an odd number, so it does not qualify for the first condition, so this is automatically not exactly divisible by 6 anymore. Now, for the last number, we have 7,890. The last digit is 0, so therefore, it qualifies the first criteria, which should be exactly divisible by 2. So we have now 4 numbers that are considered even. The 2024, 3,576, 1,358, and 7,890. And from those, let's apply the second condition. It should be exactly divisible by 3. So how to do that? Get the sum of the digits, and if the sum is exactly divisible by 3, then the original number is also exactly divisible by 3. Now let's start with 2024. Let's get the sum of the digits. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 4, that is equal to 8. But 8 is not exactly divisible by 3, so even though this is an even number, but the sum of the digit 8 is not exactly divisible by 3, so 2024 can no longer be exactly divisible by 6. Now let's proceed to the second number, 3,576. Let's apply divisibility rule for 3. Let's get the sum of the digits. 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 7 is 15, plus 6 is equal to 21. 21 is exactly divisible by 3 because 21 is a multiple of 3. So therefore, 3,576 meets the criteria for both divisibility rule for 2 and 3, so the number is exactly divisible by 6. Now the third example, we have 1,358. Let's get the sum of the digits. So 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5 is 9, plus 8 is 17. 17 is not exactly divisible by 3 because this number is not a multiple of 3. So even though this number is an even number, but it does not qualify the second condition, so this is no longer exactly divisible by 6. Now for the last number, we have 7,890. Let's get the sum of the digits. 7 plus 8 is 15. Plus 9 is equal to 24. 24 is a multiple of 3, so therefore, the sum is exactly divisible by 3. So 7,890 meets the two criteria. This number is exactly divisible by 2, and at the same time, this is also exactly divisible by 3, so the original number is also exactly divisible by 6. Now, to recap what we have discussed, For this video, I am discussing divisibility rule for 6, and you should meet two criteria to be able to determine whether a particular number is exactly divisible by 6. The first criteria, the number should be even, or the number should be exactly divisible by 2 by looking at the last digits 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. And the second one is the number should exactly be divisible by 3. How to tell that? Get the sum of the digits, and if the sum is exactly divisible by 3, then the original number is also exactly divisible by 3.